Hello, hello, it's Martinez Art Lab. We're opening up our Google Drive today and we're getting Google Drawings. We will start a new title and title it with your full name. We are going to make three-dimensional hearts today. So we'll make sure we put 3D hearts in the title name. Before we do anything else, we're going to change the size of our page. So we're going to go to File, Page Setup, go to Custom, and change it to 10 inches by 10 inches. Apply, and we're ready for the next step. And to do that, we're going to divide our page into 4 squares. We're going to use the line tool. So we're going to go up to the line and pick a straight line, and we're going to divide our page into 5-inch by 5-inch squares. We'll use the guidelines in Google Drawing to make sure that our lines are straight and we're dividing it up. We'll eventually delete those, but for now and for our guide, that's what we'll use. You see me evening these out. I'm going to use my select arrow to make sure they're hitting that red guideline of Google Drawings, make sure that it's centered well. Now we're going to get started by drawing our circle, and we'll go to the shape tool, select a heart. We will select a heart. We'll draw a heart in one of the squares. Once we've got that first heart drawn, we're going to copy and paste it, and we'll send that heart to the back by going to Arrange, Order, Send to Back. Now we've got a shadow we can move to where we want it on that original heart. And once I've got that shadow placed, I can start working with the colors, changing the colors to what I'd like them to be. Now I'm going to select both of these hearts and I'm going to go and group them. So I'm going to go to Arrange, Group. So now they are one shape. I'm going to copy that shape 3 times, and then I'm going to place the heart in each square. So I've got 4 hearts, same size, and now I can go in and start changing the colors and create the color scheme that I'd like to see. At this point, I'm going to ungroup my hearts and change them to the colors I want. So the shadows are a darker value of the heart itself. Then I'm going to add a background gradient, and my 3D hearts project is done. Have fun creating this.